Hello everyone, let's make sentences. Toy. I have many toys. Cap. I have a new cap. Tree. This tree is so big. Cat. The cat is playing in the lawn. Book. I love reading storybooks. Chair. This chair is made of wood. Pen. My teacher writes with a blue pen. Table. The table is very heavy. Door. Please close the door. Shoe. I have two pairs of blue shoes. Sun. Today, the sun is shining brightly. Game. I love playing football game. Song. Lisa sings a beautiful song. Cloud. The clouds look grey in color. Fish. The fish jumped out of the water. Cake. I love eating chocolate cake. Car. My car is black in color. Doll. My doll has green eyes. Mountain. The mountains are covered with snow. Garden. There are beautiful roses in my garden. For more such videos, you can subscribe the channel. Till next video, take care.